Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode where we dive deep into the world of nutrition and healthy eating. Did you know that pairing certain foods with avocado can actually sabotage your health goals? Yes, you heard that right. While avocado is a superfood packed with nutrients, combining it with the wrong foods can negate its benefits. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 foods you should never eat with avocado and 3 perfect combinations that'll skyrocket your health. So, if you love avocados as much as I do, you'll want to pay close attention. Stick around till the end for a special tip that might surprise you. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. First up, let's talk about the worst combinations. These are the foods you should avoid pairing with avocado if you want to maintain optimal health. Number 1, avocado and dairy. This might come as a surprise to many, but it's true. While avocado is loaded with healthy fats and fiber, dairy can slow down the digestion process. This is because dairy products contain lactose, which can be hard to digest for many people. This combo can make you feel bloated and sluggish, leading to digestive discomfort that can last for hours. You're better off keeping these two apart for smoother digestion. Your stomach will thank you. Number 2, avocado and high-sugar fruits. This is another combination that can be problematic. Yes, I'm talking about those delicious mangoes and pineapples. While they are tasty and nutritious on their own, they don't pair well with avocado. The high sugar content can interfere with the absorption of avocado's good fats, making it harder for your body to utilize these healthy fats effectively. Instead, opt for low-sugar fruits like berries. Berries are not only lower in sugar, but also packed with antioxidants. Number 3, avocado and bread. This one might be a bit controversial, especially with the popularity of avocado toast. Now, I know avocado toast is a trend, but combining avocado with refined carbs can spike your blood sugar levels. Refined carbs lack the fiber needed to slow down sugar absorption. If you can't resist, try using whole grain or gluten-free bread to keep things balanced. These options provide more fiber and nutrients. Alright, now for the best combinations. These are the foods that pair perfectly with avocado to boost your health. Number 1, avocado and leafy greens. This is a match made in heaven. Think spinach, kale, or arugula. These greens are nutrient-dense and complement the healthy fats in avocado. This pairing is a powerhouse of nutrients, giving you vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats all in one meal. It's a win-win, perfect for a salad or smoothie. You can get creative and mix them in various dishes. Number 2, avocado and quinoa. This is another fantastic combination. This combo provides a fantastic balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Quinoa is a complete protein, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. It's great for a filling lunch or dinner that keeps you energized. You'll feel full and satisfied for hours. Number 3, avocado and eggs. This is a classic combination that never gets old. The healthy fats in avocado help absorb the fat-soluble vitamins in eggs. This means you get more nutritional bang for your buck. Plus, this duo is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them in countless ways. Think avocado-topped omelets or scrambled eggs with a side of guacamole. The possibilities are endless. And here's the special tip I promised. This little trick can make a big difference. Adding a squeeze of lemon or lime juice to your avocado dishes not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts your body's ability to absorb the nutrients. The acidity helps break down the fats for better absorption. Plus, it keeps your avocado from turning brown. Now it's your turn to share. What's your favorite way to eat avocado? Do you have any unique combinations or recipes? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your ideas and trying new things. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful. Your support means a lot to me. Until next time, stay healthy and keep making smart food choices. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.